In this topic, we are going to discuss about harmonic sequence. What is harmonic sequence? Harmonic sequence is a sequence whose reciprocals form an arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's have an example for our topic harmonic sequence. So we have what is the next term? 1 over 24, 1 over 20, 1 over 16, 1 over 12. So kung kukunin natin ang reciprocal ng mga fractions na yan, we will have 24, 20, 16, and 12. So tingnan natin kung yan ba ay pag kinuha mo yung reciprocal ng harmonic sequence, makaka-form tayo ng arithmetic sequence. So remember, kapag arithmetic sequence, merong common difference. So subtract natin yung consecutive terms. 20 minus 24 is negative 4. 16 minus 20, negative 4. 12 minus 16 is also negative 4. Now, kung gusto natin makuha yung next term, we can use the arithmetic sequence formula or pwede na lang 12 minus 4. So, this will give us 8. Kaya lang, kailangan pa rin natin kunin yung reciprocal ng 8. So, that will be 1 over 8. Another example is, find the 12th term of the harmonic sequence 1 over 9, 1 over 12, 1 over 15. Now, sabi nga kanina, get first the reciprocal of the harmonic sequence. So, meron tayong 9, 12, 15, and we are asked to look for the 12th term. So, dahil medyo malayo-layo na yung 12th term, gamit tayo ng arithmetic sequence formula. So, you have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, kunin natin yung a sub 1, yun ay 9. And yung n natin, since we are looking for a sub 12, will be 12. So, magiging 9 plus 12 minus 1. And yung 3, paano nakuha? So, subtract nyo yung consecutive term. 12 minus 9 or 15 minus 12. That will give us positive 3. So, solve muna natin nasa loob ng parenthesis. 12 minus 1 is 11. And then, multiply yung 3. 11 times 3 is 33 plus 9 is equal to 42. Now, let's get the reciprocal of 42 kasi dapat sa harmonic sequence nga, reciprocal tayo nung arithmetic sequence. So, a sub 12 is equal to 1 over 42. Another example tayo. What is the 32nd term in the harmonic sequence 1 over 5, 1 over 7, 1 over 9, 1 over 11? So medyo malayo yung term na pinapahanap, 32nd term. So first step here is to write the reciprocal of this harmonic sequence. So magiging 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. So we are going to look for a sub 32. So gamit ang arithmetic sequence formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the difference of n minus 1 or n and 1 times the common difference. And then, substitute natin. Your a sub 1 is 5. Your n is 32 kasi yun yung hinahanap. So, yung n mo dito sa loob ng parenthesis is 32. And then, the common difference, paano makukuha? Subtract two consecutive terms. So, 7 minus 5, 9 minus 2, 11 minus 9. So, positive 2 yon. Okay, so na-substitute na natin yung values. So, you have 5 plus 32 minus 1 times 2. So, solve muna yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. 32 minus 1, 31. 31 times 2, 62. 62 plus 5 is 67. So, get the reciprocal of 67. Dahil yan ay 67 over 1, ang reciprocal niyan ay 1 over 67. So, this means yung 32nd term natin na hinahanap is 1 over 67. Okay, now let us discuss about the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, let's try to define Fibonacci sequence. What is Fibonacci sequence? A Fibonacci sequence is a sequence where its first two terms are either both 1 or 0 and 1. And each term thereafter is obtained by adding the two preceding terms. So sinabi nga dito, Fibonacci sequence may begin with 01 or 11. So, ang gagawin mo na lang is you're going to add yung mga magkakasunod na terms to get the next preceding terms. Okay, let's have our first example here. Find the next 5 terms of the given sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, so tingnan natin yung pattern ng Fibonacci sequence. So kasi yung sabi dyan, nagsisimula siya sa 1, 1 or 0, 1. And then, you're going to add the next two preceding terms para makuha yung susunod na term. So tingnan natin yung pattern. 1 plus 1 ay 2, 1 plus 2 ay 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. So to get the next term, add natin yung 5 and 8. 13. Tapos yung susunod pa doon ay 8 plus 13 to get the next term. So how do we solve this? So you can use your calculators manually compute for the next 5 terms. So magiging solution natin is 5 plus 8 ay 13. Tapos yung 8 and 13, i-add natin. 21 yon. And then yung 13, i-add sa 21 to get 34. And then, yung 21 at 34, i-add natin to get 55. And then, 34 plus 55, yun naman ang i-add natin to get 89. So, the next 5 terms in the sequence are 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. Okay, another example. Find the next 8 terms on the given 0, 1, 1, 2, and so on. So this is another example of a Fibonacci sequence. Kasi nga sabi, ang Fibonacci sequence may start with 0, 1 or 1, 1. So tingnan natin to. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2, yung susunod na term will be 3. So, i-continue nyo lang i-add yung huling dalawang terms so that you can get the next preceding terms. So, yung solution natin ay ito. So, 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. And then, 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21. 13 plus 21, 34. 21 plus 34, 55. 34 plus 55 is equal to 89. So, the next 8 terms are 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. So, currently, wala tayong formula to solve this ng mas mabilis. Okay, so you can do this manually using pen and paper. And pwede rin naman using your calculator.